Berta J, and I'm welcoming you into my kitchen with me today. Wanted something sweet as the end of a meal, and I thought I'd bring you in so you could see what I do sometimes. These are really quick, and it's very delicious. Okay, what you need is Medjool dates. Medjool dates are these thick, soft dates, and they're really tasty. What you're gonna do, you're gonna cut it from top to bottom. And there's a pit inside. See that? See that pit? So we're going to take the pit out, and you're going to use your fingers. I guess you could use something else if you wanted to, but you're going to use your fingers. You're going to smash it down. Play with it a little bit. I always like playing in mud, so I like playing with Medjool dates. Make sure your hands are nice and clean, because it will get sticky. And you're going to flatten it like that. And there's a little pit at the top that has it hang onto the tree. Get rid of that too, because that's pretty hard. Okay, so now it's flattened. What you're going to do is put nuts inside. What I've chosen are 3 different kinds of nuts. I chose almonds, walnuts, and these are cashew pieces. And I'm going to show you how I do it. You can come up with something else if you want to. I just press them right into it because it's so sticky. Just press them right in. And then maybe 3 or 4, 6 I'm doing today. And you just take it and just roll it right up. Smash it down, one on top of the other. And that's it, that's all it is. And you just, it was really good. Very tasty. Try this. And then you can lick your fingers too. But I won't do it. Don't lick my fingers. I have to do another one. So those were the almonds. And I'm going to cut it again, take out the pit, and then just mash it. So what I'm going to do is do that with all the other 2 as well. Medjool date, which is what we're using here, is bigger, softer, and sweeter, I think, than the deglet. Deglets are smaller, skinnier. I'm going to put in some walnuts. Now this time, instead of putting them on both sides, I'm just going to put it on one side, and then I'm going to roll it. And cashews, if you get the whole cashews, they look like that. That's a whole one. But I usually just buy the pieces because they're the same. They're the same. They're just, one is pieces and one is not. Okay, so I'm going to roll this one too. 3 might be a lot for you, but here they are. 1 eaten. That's an almond, walnut, and cashew. And the reason I left this one open is because this is for you to decide what you want to put in it. Now, I have some other ideas, which I haven't done because these are my favorite nuts. You could put in here as well. You could put a big Brazil nut, would be nice. A Brazil nut. You could put Brazil nuts in here, roll it up. You could do hazelnut. They're the little round ones that kind of remind you of an acorn. You can put that in here. I guess you could also put in sunflower seeds if you wanted to and roll that up. But it's just a quick dessert that's nice and sweet and crunchy. I like sweet and crunchy. If you like sweet and crunchy, you're going to like this. And I just call it my little date and nut dessert. So I hope you try it. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back and visit with me again. And until then, if you want a sweet dessert, try my date and nut desserts. Bye for now.